Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a spinach side dish. First, gather your ingredients: about 1 pound of fresh spinach, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Begin by washing the spinach thoroughly under cold running water. Ensure all grit is removed, then pat it dry with a clean towel or use a salad spinner. This crucial step prevents a gritty texture in your final dish. Now, let's cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet or pan over medium heat. Add the washed and dried spinach to the hot pan. It might seem like a lot, but it will quickly reduce in volume. Stir the spinach frequently, cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's completely wilted and tender. Avoid overcooking to maintain its vibrant color and nutrients. To elevate the flavor, add 2 minced garlic cloves to the pan during the last minute of cooking. Sauté until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Season your cooked spinach with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For an extra burst of freshness, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice just before serving makes a wonderful difference. You can also add a dash of red pepper flakes for a little heat. Your perfectly cooked spinach side dish is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately as a healthy and flavorful accompaniment to any meal. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Reheat gently on the stovetop or in the microwave. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your nutritious and easy-to-make spinach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.